If you're tired of scrubbing stubborn stains or using harsh chemicals to clean your home, a steam cleaner might be exactly what you need. Steam cleaners use high-temperature steam to sanitize and deep clean everything from floors and carpets to kitchen appliances, all without toxic chemicals. In this video, I've put together the 5 best handheld steam cleaner of 2025 to help make your cleaning routine easier, faster, and more eco-friendly. For your convenience, all product links are included in the description below. So, let's get started. At the top of our list is the BISSELL SteamShot OmniReach Steam Cleaner. This handheld steam cleaner delivers powerful, chemical-free cleaning and peace of mind. With 1000 watts of power and 230 degrees Fahrenheit high-pressure steam, the SteamShot OmniReach makes kitchen and bathroom grime a thing of the past. Use the grout brush and flat scraper tool to blast away dirt, bacteria, and stubborn messes with ease. This steam cleaner is perfect for sanitizing high chairs, car seats, pet dishes, and more. Just attach the angle tool and extension hose to get into those hard-to-reach places. And yes, there's a tool for just about everything. The SteamShot OmniReach includes 10 specialty attachments, including a fabric steamer, window cleaning tools, and even an extension wand for extra reach. Plus, you can keep it upright for continuous, uninterrupted cleaning performance. New improvements like the cap with steam readiness indicator mean you'll always know when it's time to clean. Whether it's stuck on food in the microwave, dirty tile grout, or just peace of mind, the SteamShot OmniReach handles it all, killing 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Whether you're cleaning up after pets, kids, or just life in general, the BISSELL SteamShot OmniReach gives you safe. You can buy this steam cleaner just $49 on Amazon. In the second spot on our list is the Phueut Multi-Surface Natural Steam Cleaner. This compact yet powerful handheld steamer delivers 1050 watts of cleaning power, heating up in just 3 to 5 minutes, and producing pressurized 230 degrees Fahrenheit hot steam for up to 8 to 12 minutes of continuous use. It works on virtually all hard surfaces, from ceramic and marble to sealed hardwood floors. Clean tiles, windows, sinks, stoves, sofas, toys, and even car interiors with ease. It's 100% chemical-free, using only water. So there are no harmful fumes or residues. And with a child safety cap, it's an ideal choice for homes with kids and pets. The handheld design and compact body make it super portable, and the 9.8 FT power cord ensures you can easily reach tight corners and high spots. Plus, the ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue for more comfortable cleaning. It also includes a 12-piece accessory kit, featuring 4 round brushes and a variety of other attachments to meet all your cleaning needs. The 350 milliliter water tank gives you plenty of capacity, with a recommended fill of 280 milliliters to avoid overfilling. At just $49 on Amazon, the Phueut Natural Steam Cleaner is a reliable, chemical-free solution to deep clean your entire home, naturally and safely. Taking the third spot is the Gautye Steam Cleaner. Built with high-quality ABS material, this handheld steamer offers excellent durability and heat resistance for reliable, continuous use. Its transparent, high-strength water tank lets you easily keep an eye on the water level while cleaning. Powered by 1500 watts and producing 3 bar of pressure with steam at 212 degrees Celsius, it heats up incredibly fast in just 15 seconds, delivering powerful steam to break down grime on multiple surfaces. Featuring a large 1600 milliliter water tank, it allows extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills. With a total reach of over 13 feet thanks to its long power cord and steam hose, it easily accesses hard-to-reach spots like shower corners, walls, floors, and furniture. The 3-level adjustable steam control on the handle gives you precise output for different cleaning needs. It is compact and easy to store, measuring just 9 by 6 by 7 inches. The Gautye steam cleaner includes a complete accessory kit, nylon and brass brushes, an extension rod, glass brush, gloves, cleaning towels, and a microfiber pad. Perfect for everything from windows and grout to upholstery and car interiors. You can buy this steam cleaner at $64 on Amazon. Coming in at number 4 is the STMWORLD Multi-Surface Steam Cleaner. This powerful steam cleaner packs 1200 watts and heats up fast, just 3 to 5 minutes, producing super hot steam at 248 degrees Celsius to blast away dirt, stains, and grease with ease. Designed for versatility, it works on a wide range of surfaces, from kitchen counters and bathroom fixtures to floors, tile, sofas, mattresses, upholstery, kids and pets toys, and even car interiors. This steam cleaner relies 100% on chemical-free cleaning, making it an eco-friendly and safe choice, perfect for homes with children, pets, or anyone sensitive to cleaning products. To boost versatility, the STMWORLD comes with a free 10-piece accessory kit, including an extension hose for reaching tight spots, a grout brush for tile cleaning, a window squeegee for streak-free glass, and various brushes and nozzles for specialized tasks. With an extra-long 9.8-foot power cord and handheld design, you get excellent reach and maneuverability for those tricky spots, making cleaning faster and less stressful. You can buy the STMWORLD Multi-Surface Steam Cleaner at $55 on Amazon. At number 5 is the Flgocexs Steam Cleaner. This handheld powerhouse boasts a whopping 2,500 watts and heats up super fast in just 15 seconds to deliver high-temperature steam at 221 degrees Fahrenheit with 3 bar pressure. It tackles stubborn grease and dirt with ease, making tough cleaning jobs a breeze. One standout feature is its upgraded handle remote control design with 3 indicator lights, letting you easily adjust steam intensity on the fly. It has 3 steam levels to match any cleaning need, with a handy real-time display showing the current settings. The 1,600 milliliter large water tank provides up to 45 minutes of continuous steam on a single fill. No more frequent refills slowing you down. Plus, it features a smart funnel-shaped water filling port and a drainage hole at the bottom for easy maintenance. This steam cleaner comes loaded with 16 practical accessories, including extension nozzles, various brushes, scrapers, cleaning cloth sleeves, and even a clearing needle. Everything you need to tackle a wide variety of surfaces. Thanks to its thick steam hose and long power cord, it delivers strong steam output and great reach for cleaning stoves, windows, sofas, walls, microwaves, refrigerators, kitchens, toilets, floors, cars, and even clothing. You can buy the Flgocexs Steam Cleaner at $64 on Amazon. For the best deals and exclusive coupon codes, visit our website at couponoffer.net. Let me know in the comments which steam cleaner you'd pick to tackle tough messes in 2025 and why. If any of these models stood out to you, don't forget to check the links in the description for more details. Be sure to like this video, subscribe for more top cleaning gadget reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.